what's going on, guys? I'm Elliot, aka Apartment Bartender, here at the Hilton Austin, mixing up some of the cocktails that I prepared for the secret menu available across select Hilton hotels and resorts. So I'm going to be making my personal favorite on the menu, the Cafe Cognac. I'm a big fan of Cognac. Took a trip to Cognac, France about a year and a half back, and it really just changed my view on the spirit. So with this cocktail, what we wanted to do is incorporate some really nice winter flavors. So this incorporates, again, Cognac, some coffee liqueur right here, just to add some notes of that. We have vanilla syrup right here, so just a little bit of that as well. And I don't know who doesn't like coffee and vanilla together. And then just some bitters to help round out the cocktail. Now again, this is on the menu available at select locations across the US. When I'm making this cocktail and stirring it up, it's easy to get mesmerized, but you want to make sure that you're not over diluting the cocktail. So I'm going to go ahead and strain this into a rocks glass over ice. Now again, this cocktail incorporates some really awesome flavors: Cognac, coffee, vanilla, and some bitters. And again, this is just meant to help warm the bones, especially in the winter months of the year. So if you want to find this cocktail, you can find it here at the Hilton Austin, or you can go to hiltonhotels.com and check out the other locations where you can find this menu. So cheers, guys.